Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you the rank of matrix. This is M1 Unit 1 Part 1. This is third video. In first and second video I have explained in first video I have explained the orthogonal matrix, and in second video I have explained the unitary matrix. This is the rank of the matrix. Let us see how to solve this. Take the matrix A, that is 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, minus 2, 0. We have to exchange the R1 and R2, row 1 and row 2. How to swap these two? Because we have to get 1 here. This place should be always 1. That's why just swap the R1 and R2. After that, 1 0 1 1, this 1 0 1 1 will go to here, 1 0 1 1, and 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 will come here, 0 1 minus 3 and minus 1. Then write it as it is, 3 1 0 2, 3 1 0 2, 1 1 minus 2 0, 1 1 minus 2 0. Write it as it is. This is the first step to find the rank of the matrix. And the next step is how to find the rank of the matrix by reducing the echelon form. Then we have to reduce it, like we have to make as much as possible. We have to make all the rows 0. Okay, these rows should be 0. How to make it? Just R3 and R4. Just try with those two. R3 we have to take R3 minus 3 into R1. What is R3 here? 3. R3 is 3. 3 into 3 minus 3 minus 3 into R1 is 1. That will be 0. Just write it 0. Then R3 is 1. Here R1 is 0. 1 minus 3 into 0. 3 into 0 is 0. That is 1 minus 0 is 1. Right here 1. And R3 is 0. 0 minus 3 into 1. That will be minus 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Here we have minus. That's why it's minus 3. Take the minus 3. And R3 is 2. 2 minus 3 into 1. 2 minus 3 into 1. That is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 we can't do. That will be minus 1. Write the minus 1 as it is. And R4. We have to change the R4 as well. That's why R4 minus R1. These steps you can get a doubt like, how can I do this? How can I know I have to do like this only? Whenever you want to change R3, write down R3 as it is. If you want to change R3, write down R3 as it is. If you want to change the R4, write the R4 as it is. Then which is the bigger number, or like you want to minus from that number, you will get the 0. Just check the rows here. Then take the number, multiply with that number. You will get easily 0. Got it? For R4 minus R1. R4 is 1. Here this one also 1. We will get 0. Write it. Here also 1 minus 0. We will get 1. Here minus 2 minus 1. We will get minus 3. Here 0 minus 1. We will get minus 1. Here I got like almost all the same numbers, but I want to change this to zeros. Then I have to do other operations again. Then change the R4 to R4 minus R2. See, R4 and R2 are the same. Then if I do that, I'll get 0 all the R4s. For example, 0 minus 0, R4 minus R2, that will be 0. I'm doing for R4, remember that. And 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, that will be 0. And minus 3 plus of minus 3, that will be 0. And minus 1 plus minus 1, that will be again 0. For R3 as well, I have to do for R3 as well. R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2, these two are also same, I will get 0. For example, I'll tell you this one also. Here R3 is 0, R2 is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 3, minus of 3, that will be 0. Minus 1 plus minus 1, that will become again 0. I have got these two rows 0. Then this is the echelon form. This is in the echelon form. The rank of matrix is 2 here because the non-zero rows are 2. We got 2 non-zero rows. That's why the rank of matrix is 2. This is reduced to echelon form. This is how you have to do. Got it? The first step is you have to change the R1 and R2. You have to swap these two. R1 becomes R2, R2 becomes R1 because I want this one to be here. That's why. That is the reason. Always this one should be here. Then I have to change the R3 and R4. Here one simple method I have told you. That is, if I want to change the R3, immediately take the R3 and do some operations from another rows, any other rows. And if you want to multiply with any number, that is 2, 3, to reduce these numbers, you can do that. You can multiply with any numbers. Then you can easily reduce these numbers to 0. If you don't get here, then you can do one more steps to reduce it to 0. This is in the echelons form and the rank of matrix is 2 because the non-zero rows are 2. We got 2 non-zero rows. That's why the rank of matrix is 2. Very simple, right? Like this only you have to do. I have given 2 practice examples here. That is A is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 4 minus 3 6 3, 3 minus 1 7 6 minus 2 4 2 6 1 3 9 12. You have to do this one and this one, these two, and let me know in the comment section what is the rank of these two matrices. Okay, just do this for your practice, then only you will understand better. Got it? Then coming to the next question, if A is equal to 3, 7 minus 4i minus 2 plus 5i, 7 plus 4i minus 2, 3 plus I minus 2 minus 5i, 3 minus I 4. Then show that A is Hermitian and IA is skew Hermitian. Then we have to show that this is Hermitian and IA is skew Hermitian. What is the condition for Hermitian? Just see this. A inverse transpose is equal to A. Then this A will be the Hermitian. Just check this. A is equal to, take as it is, 3, 7 plus 4i minus 2 minus 5i, 7 minus 4i minus 2, 3 minus I, minus 2, 5i, minus 2 plus 5i, 3 plus I, 4. Take the A as it is, then inverse it. Inverse is nothing but like change the signs I have. If I have plus here, just change it. In between two numbers, if I have any signs, that is any plus or minus, change. If I have plus here, change it to minus. If I have minus here, change it to plus. That is what inverse means. A bar. 3. 7 minus 4i. I have 7 plus 4i. Change it to 7 minus 4i. Minus 2. Take minus 2 as it is, because in between whatever the sign I have to change this. Okay. Minus 2 minus 5i I have. Minus 2, take it as it is. Plus 5i. 7 minus 4i. Change it as 7 plus 4i. Minus 2 as it is. 3 plus I have. 3 minus I have. 3 plus I. Minus 2 plus 5i. Minus 2 minus 5i. 3 plus I, that is 3 minus I, and 4. I have taken the inverse of this A. Okay. Then I have to do the transpose for this. Transpose means whatever the row I have to change to columns. Write this row to this column. For example, 3. Then 7 plus 4i, 7 plus 4i. Then minus 2 minus 5i, minus 2 minus 5i. Like this only, second row to second column. 7 minus 4i, 7 minus 4i. Minus 2 as it is. 3 minus I, 3 minus I. Then third row to third column. Minus 2 plus 5i, minus 2 plus 5i. Then 3 plus I, 3 plus I, take it as it is. 4, then 4. This will become the A. Just check, cross check this. The A and this one should be the same. 3, 7 plus 4i, minus 2 minus 5i, see. 7 minus 4i, 7 minus 4i, minus 2, 3 minus I, minus 2, 5i, minus 2, 5i, 3 plus I, 4, 3 plus I, 4. The A and the inverse transpose of A should be the same. Then it is Hermitian. That's why hence A is Hermitian matrix. Got it? This is very simple. Do this. Practice this. Like this only we have one more. IA is Q Hermitian. Just check that. IA is Q Hermitian when the condition is B is equal to IA. Take the A as it is, but I have to add one I to that. I to all the numbers. I have to add I to all the numbers. Just say here. B is equal to IA. I have added I to all the numbers. 3i, 7. Take I to all the numbers. Then I have just added that I to those numbers. 7 into I, 7i, plus 4 into 4i into I and I will become I square. I square will be minus 1. That's why here plus into minus, minus 4 I got. Minus 1. That's why I don't get I here. Got it? I square will be minus 1. Remember this, very important. I square will be minus 1. That's why here plus 4i into I will get minus 4. Got it? Everything. I have just taken the common to inside. I have multiplied to all the numbers from this I. Then I got this matrix. Then B bar, I told you, just we have to change the signs here. 3 I have, take it as it is. Just changing the plus to minus, minus to plus, minus to plus, plus to minus, then plus to minus, minus to plus. That's it. Then B inverse of transpose. That is, I told you how to change the row to column. 3i, 7i minus 4, and 2i minus 2i plus 5. Then second row, second column. Third row and third column. Take it as it is. Then I will get the B. Got it? This one and this one both are same. Hence B is equal to IA is Q Hermitian. Got it? Very simple, right? Practice these kind of problems. If you have any doubt, comment me below. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel because I have uploaded all subjects in BTech and I am still uploading. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks.